Hello बच्चों, hope you all are good. Everything is going to fantastic. Today I am going to provide you a question answers of The Cherry Tree as per your demand, written by Ruskin Bond. I already provided you the chapter, the whole chapter explanation in Hindi. You can see in my playlist. Now we'll discuss question answers. Right, the back exercise question answers you can see in your book. Okay, let's start. Nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. Who said this to whom? किसने किससे कही थी ये लाइन? If you remember, जब राकेश क्या करता है, सीड लेकर आता है, जब वो चेरी खाते हुए सीड दादाजी को शो करता है, तब दादाजी कहते हैं कि नथिंग इज़ लकी इफ़ यू पुट इट अवे. इफ़ यू वांट लक यू मस्ट पुट इट टू सम यूज. सो ग्रैंडफादर सेड दिस टू राकेश. व्हाट वाज द स्पीकर रेफरिंग टू? जो स्पीकर है वो क्या रेफर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? तो ग्रैंडफादर रेफरिंग टू द चेरी सीड्स. वो चेरी सीड्स को कह रहे थे ना, विच हैड द राकेश. How did the person being spoken to put it to some use? So, Rakesh put it to some use by planting into the ground. किस तरह से कर सकते हैं? Planting into the ground. Second, come back when you are butterfly. He said. Who said this to whom? किसने कहा था कि when you will be butterfly, then come back. So, Rakesh said to Harry caterpillar. If you remember the incident when caterpillar sucked the nectar from the flower, then Rakesh said कि when you come back, when you will be butterfly. Next, why did the speaker not want the creature to stay? वो क्यों नहीं चाहता था कि जो बटरफ्लाई है, कोई भी क्रिएचर है इवन, वहाँ पे स्टे करे? बिकॉज सबसे पहली बात तो ये हिज लविंग नेचर टूवर्ड्स द चेरी ट्री एंड हिज Rakesh, the speaker, did not want the caterpillar to stay because it was eating the leaves. Yes, क्योंकि उसका caring nature था and he didn't want कि some creature ate the leaves. See, what does this line tell about the speaker? ये line क्या बताती है हमें speaker के बारे में? As I already told you, he was caring person. So, this line tells us that Rakesh was very caring for the cherry tree and he did not want anyone to harm it. वो बिल्कुल नहीं चाहता था कि कोई भी इसको हार्म पहुंचाए. जैसे एक छोटे से बच्चे से प्यार हो जाता है ना हमें, इस तरह से जब हम प्लांटिंग करते हैं ना, आप कभी ध्यान देना, तो जिन लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा शौक होता है प्लांटिंग का, या इवन आप भी एक छोटे बच्चे हो और आपने किसी चीज़ को सीड किया, तो आप उसे छोटे बच्चे की तरह प्यार करोगे. सेम इसमें राकेश का नेचर दिखाया है. नेक्स्ट, हाँ, he could see the mountains staring away into the clouds. So, कैसे दिख रहे थे? Who is referring as he in this line? कौन है he? Rakesh. Rakesh is referred to as he in this line. From where could he see the mountains? कहाँ से वो mountain की जो वो बड़ा सा एक mountain था ना, वो कहाँ से देख पा रहा था? When he was laid down on the grass beneath the tree, he gazed up through the leaves at the great blue sky, and turning on his side, he could see the mountains. जब वो कहाँ था? ग्रास पे लेटा हुआ था उस पेड़ के नीचे, तो वो गेज कर रहा था, घूर रहा था पत्तियों के बीच में से ग्रेट ब्लू स्काई को, और जैसे ही वो टर्न करता है फिर से माउंटेन दिखाई देते हैं. What does the expression staring away into the cloud mean? What is the meaning of this line? The expression staring away into the clouds means that the range of the extended a great distance up to horizon. Where they were covered the clouds, it appeared as if mountain was walking into the cloud. Next, How did Rakesh and his grandfather spend the winter evening? कैसे करते थे winter evening को spend? They used to sit by a charcoal fire, and grandfather would tell the stories about the people who turn into animals. In return, in turn, Rakesh would read to him from the newspaper. राकेश क्या करता था? उन्हें न्यूज़पेपर रीड करता था, बिकॉज his as you can see in the story, his eyes were weak. एंड राकेश क्या करता था? ठीक है, न्यूज़पेपर रीड करता था और दादाजी उसको क्या करते थे? स्टोरीज सुनाते थे. Rakesh thought that the cherry tree had died on 2 occasions. Narrator the incidents briefly. Yeah. Two incidents had happened in the story where Rakesh found cherry tree would be dead. So first, when God entered the garden and ate all the leaves, then that time he thought cherry tree would be dead, but his grandfather taught to him that cherry tree didn't die. Second, when a woman cutting grass cut the cherry tree in two. When in the story, when you will read the story, you will find a woman cutting the grass and cut the cherry into 2 parts. By his he hold the sickle. What does Rakesh ask the end of the story? What do you think? What do you think he mean by the question? What did he ask in the last story? Last. At the end of the story, Rakesh wondered what it felt to be God. It was ये last this answer last story के बिल्कुल last paragraph में है ये answer. He was amazed by how a small seed he had planted had grown into a beautiful tree that provided fruit, shade, and shelter to everyone. He was very happy that his efforts had been fulfilled. That means he was thinking that a small seed became a tree, and now this tree provided fruits, shade, and shelter to everyone. So he was very happy, extremely happy to see that thing. He was also happy to see his efforts had been fulfilled now. Nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want to luck, you must put it some use. Give an example. So, in this story, grandfather said to Rakesh about this line, nothing is lucky. So, we'll explain it. What is the exactly meaning of this? Nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. If you want to luck in your life, you need to put a seed of hard work. One day your seed of hard work will give you a fruitful result. For example, when you prepare for your exam, and give the exam, and when result came, if you scored a good marks, so your efforts became a good result, राइट. सो इसी तरह से अगर आप ज़िंदगी में लक चाहते हो तो आपको हार्डवर्क का सीड पुट करना होगा, राइट. तभी आपको क्या मिलेगा? एक अच्छा और फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट मिलेगा. अगर आप किसी भी चीज़ को फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप हार्डवर्क ही नहीं करोगे, इफ़ यू वांट लक यू मस्ट पुट इट सम यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. और कोई भी लकी नहीं होता है अगर कोई एफर्ट्स ना करे, हार्डवर्क ना करे. सो द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्टोरी, grandfather said to the Rakesh, nothing is lucky if you put it away, which means nothing is lucky if it is not in used. कोई भी चीज़ लकी नहीं होती जब तक उसका यूज़ ना करो, right. Grandfather advised Rakesh that if he wanted luck, he should plant seed, and that is how it would be used. That means अगर वो seed को plant कर देगा तो one day this seed became a tree and it will provided you fruit, shelter, shade, एक्सेट्रा. सो ये हमारी रियल लाइफ में भी होता है. यू कैन मेक अ लॉट्स ऑफ एग्जाम्पल टू रिलेट योर पर्सनल लाइफ. ठीक है, नथिंग इज लक. ठीक है, होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेल ऑल द आंसर्स. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. थैंक यू.